Welcome to AlphaNumericTricks. Today we are going to see NCERT Class 8 Maths solutions of Chapter 6 Square and Square Roots. Under that we are doing exercise 3.3. We have already completed 3 problems in this exercise that is in the previous video. Now we will see the next problem, fourth problem. Find the square roots of the following numbers by a prime factorization method. First problem is 729. You have to find out the square roots using prime factorization method. Okay, what is prime factorization method? We will see now. Okay, so first problem is 729. Before going to start the problem, we have to do like this. We have to find out the factors of this problem. So first you start, this is with 3, is 9, is ended with 9. So we start with 3. Okay, so 2 3s are 6 and remaining 1 you have 4 3s are 12 and here you have 9 3 3s are 9. Again you start with 3. So you have 8 3s are 24 and 1 3s are 3. Okay, and then again 1 is there, so you have to start with 3. So where 2, that is 2 3s are 6 and 7 3s are 21. Remaining you have 2 and 21, 7 3s are 21. Again you start with 3, 9 3s are 27. Again you start with 3, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we have to write these numbers. So we have to find out the square root of this number. So square root of 729 will be equal to, we have to write these values, square root of all the things. So how many 3s are there? 3, 4, 5, 6 3s are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so from that when you have a square root, we are taking for 2 numbers you have to take it combine 2 and write one number, that is our square root, isn't it? So we have a 3 into, for this 3 we have this pair, we have to take 1 3 and this pair we have to take 1 3 and this pair you have to take 1 3. So total we have 27, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So square root of 729 is equal to 27. This is the way we have to do the square root using prime factorization method. What about next problem? We have 400. Next problem is 400 we have. Okay, so we have to find out the square root of 400. So start with the L division. So we have a 400. Okay, 400. This goes with 2, isn't it? 2 2s are 4, remaining 2 zeros you have to write. Again this goes with 2, 1 2s are 2 and 2 zeros you have to write it. And again this goes with 2, 5 2s are 10 and this the 0 you have to write it here. And again this goes with 2. Okay, so we have a 2 2s are 4 and remaining you have 1, isn't it? And 5 2s are 10. Okay, and this ends with 5, so 5 table it goes. Okay, so 5 5s are 25 and again you have to take 5 1s are 5. Okay, so here we have to find out the square root of this 400. So square root of 400 is equal to square root of, how many times 2s are there? 1 2 3 4 2s are there. 1 2 3 4. And how many 5s are there? 2 5s. Okay, so here we have to combine two numbers and each pair we have to take one number, that is our square root, isn't it? So 2 into, for this pair you have 2, into this pair you have 5 and you have to multiply this. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. Okay, so 4 5s are 20. So square root of this number is equal to, square root of this number is equal to 20. This is the way you have to find out the factorization, prime factorization method. Sorry, square root. Square root using prime factorization method. Next problem is 1764. 1764. Okay, so how will you find out the square root of this number? So you have to use the L division for this number. So when you're using L division, 1764. So again this ends with is 4. So we start with 2. Easiest way of taking numbers. Okay. If it is even numbers, you can go for 2, and if 0 is there. If it possible, you start with 5. Like that you can go. Okay. So here we start with 2 better ways. Start with the smallest number. That will help you to do the calculations easily. So to 8 twos are 16, isn't it? Remaining 1, and again 8 twos are 16, and 2 twos are 4. Again this goes with 2. 4 twos are 8, 4 twos are 8, and 1 twos are 2. And what about this one? This is one ended with 1 now. So 1 is there. We start with next number 3, because the 3 table you have 1 and all, 1, 3, 9, all the things are there now. So we start with 3. Okay, 1 3s are 3, remaining you have 1, and 4 3s are 12, remaining you have 2, and 7 3s are 21. Okay, so this ends with 7. Okay, this ends with 7. 7 also you have in 3 table. We try with 3. If it is not coming, then we pass on to the next number. Okay, so here 4 3s are 12, and here you have 2, remaining you have 2, 2 7 27, and 9 3s are 27, and you know that 49 goes with 7 7s are 49, and here you have 1 7s are 7. So we have to find out the square root of 1764, which is equal to square root of, you have to write all the numbers. 1, 2, 2 2s are there, and 2 3s are there, and 2 7s are there. So we have to combine each pair. Okay, and for each pair you have to write one number. That is our square root, isn't it? So for 2 2 and 2 you have to write, and 3 3 you have to write 1 3, and 7 and 7 you have to write 1 7. So 2 3s are 6, and then 6 7s are 42. Okay, 6 7s are 42. So square root of 1764 is 42. Okay, this is the way you have to do the numbers. That is square root using prime factorization method. Next we have a fourth one. What is our next problem? Fourth part, 4096. Okay, we had to find out the square root of 4096. Again, this is with 2. So we start with 2 here. Okay, so 4096. 6 is there, an even number. We start with 2. That is the easiest way. 2 2s are 4, and here 0 you have to write it. 4 2s are 8, and here you have 1 is there, 16, 8 2s are 16. Okay, and then next you have to write 2. 1 2s are 2, and this 0 you have to retain as it is. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again even number is there now, so we start with 2. 5 2s are 10, and here 1 2s are 1, and 2 2s are 4. Again you go start with, because even number now, so again you start with 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4, and remaining you have 1. 5 2s are 10, and remaining you have 1. 6 2s are 12. Okay, start with again 2. Because end with 6 now, so we use 2's table. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 8 2s are 16. Again this is end with even number now, to use 2 table. That is easiest way. Okay, if it is goes with 3 also, when if it is an even number, we use this. You can easily do the calculations. Okay, 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. Okay, and then here you have a 2. Okay, 3 2s are 2, 2 2s are 2, and also you have to use the least number. Okay, you have to use the least number for this prime factorization, then only you can get the correct answer. Okay, so least factors you have to try. Again this goes to 2. 1 2s are 2, remaining you have 1. 6 2s are 12, and here 2. Again 8 2s are 8 2s are 16. Again 8 goes with 2. 4 2s are 8. Again 4 goes with 2. 2 2s are 4, and this 2 goes with 1. So here we have to find out the square root of 4096. That is equal to square root of how many 2's you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 2's we have to write it. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, square root of this thing. So we have to combine two numbers. We have to combine two numbers. So, and each pair you have to write 1, 2. For this pair we have to write 1, 2. And this pair you have to write 1, 2. For this pair you have 1, 2. And this pair you have 1, 2. And this pair you have 1, 2. And this pair you have 1, 2. So, 12 pairs are there. Sorry, 12 numbers are there. 6 pairs are there. 6 2's you have to write it. Okay. So, 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 8 2's are 16. 16 2's are 32. 32 2's are 64. That is our square root of 4096. Next we will do the next problem. What is our next problem? Next subdivision is 7744. We have to find out the square root of this number. So again you have to go for the L division method. So L division we have to use this 7744. Okay, 7744. We again this end with 2 no. So we have even number no. So we start with 2. Okay. 3 2's are 6. Remaining 1. 8 2's are 16. Remaining 1. 7 2's are 14. And 2 2's are 4. Again this ends with 2 even numbers. So start with 2. 1 2's are 2. Remaining 1. 9 2's are 18. Okay, 7 is there. So here you have a 3 2's are 6. And remaining 1. 12. 6 2's are 12. Okay, 6 2's are 12. 9. 1 9 3 6. Okay, next this is also end with 6 no. So we start with 2 again. 9 2's are 18. Remaining 1. 6 2's are 12. Remaining 1. 8 2's are 16. Again start with 2 because end with even number now. So 4 2's are 8. Remaining 1. 8 2's are 16. And here 8 is there now. So 4 2's are 8. Again, therefore this also we start with 2 because end with an even number. No, last number is even number. So we again use 2. 2 2's are 4. 4 2's are 8. 2 2's are 4. Again you start with 2. Okay. So 1 2's are 1. 2 2's are 4. 1 2's are 1. Okay. So here this 121. 121 is here. You know that 11 11s are 121. 11 11s are 121. Again you have to use 11 here. 1 11s are 11. So square root of 7744 is equal to square root of 1 2 3 4 5 6 2's are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 2 11. Okay, 2 11s are there. So we have to combine each, there is two numbers as a pair. And each pair we have to write one number. From this pair you have to write 1 2, and from this you have to write 1 2, and from this you have to write 1 2, and from this you have to write 1 2. So 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 11's are 88, 8 11's are 80. So 8 11's are 88. So square root of 7744 is 88. This is the answer for this problem. And the next one, sixth subdivision we are doing. Okay, sixth, what is our sixth subdivision? 9604. 9604. So we use the L division for this. What is our L division? 9604. 9604. First you have to use 2 here. Okay. So this is because they end with 4 now. So 2. 4 2's are 8. Remaining 1. 8 2's are 16. And here 0 you have to write as it is. 2 2's are 4. Okay. And then next 2. Here 2 2's are, this is also 2 now. So 2 2's are 4 and 4 2's are 8 and then 0 you have to write as it is, and then you have 1 2s are 1. And here starting with 1 is 1 the one that is last number ends with either in is 3 stable, isn't it? So we start with 3. Then let's check 3 it goes or not. 3 8 3s are 24, and 0 you're right, but 1 is there, so it will not go with 3, so we can't use 3 here. Okay, and then for next we have to go for 4 5 6 table, all the terms, then the tables 1 is not ended, so our next possibility we start with 7. Okay, so what is 3 sevens are 21, isn't it? 3 sevens are 21, and remaining you have 3, and 4 sevens are 28, remaining you have 2, so 3 sevens are again 21. Okay, and then next we use again 7 table, again use 7 table. So because this also 3 is ended with no, so 3 is not possible, so we start with again 7 table. 4 3 4, okay, 4 sevens are 28. Okay, 4 sevens are 28, and remaining you have 6, isn't it? 28 plus 6 is 34. 28 plus 6 is 34, and here 63, and 9 sevens are 63. Okay, 9 sevens are 63. And what about this number 49? 7 sevens are 49, and again you have to use 7 ones are 7. So we had to write square root of 9604, which is equal to square root of 2 2s are there, and how many 7 4 sevens are there? 1 2 3, sorry, 3 and 4 sevens are there, so we had to combine 2 pairs. So each pair you have to write one number, that is our square root, isn't it? So 2, and as for this to this pair you have to write 1 7, and this pair you have to write 1 7, and here we have to use this number. 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 2 you have a 98. Okay, 7 sevens are 49. 49 into 2 you have 98. So this is the way you have to write the square root of this number. Okay, and next we pass on to the next subdivision, seventh part, seventh subdivision. What is our seventh problem? Seventh problem is 5929. 5929. Okay, so we start with L division for this. L division 5929. This ended with 3, no? So we start with 3. Either it goes 3 stable, otherwise we pass on to the next number, 7th table. Okay, so here 1 3s are 3, remaining you have a 2. 9 3s are 27, remaining you have a 2, 22, 7 3s are 21, but remaining you have a 19, not goes with 3, so 3 stable is not possible here. Okay, so we pass on to the 7th table then. Okay, so when we using 7th table here, okay, so when using 7th table, 8 sevens are 56. Okay, remaining you have 3. Okay, and remaining you have 3. 32 you have now. 4 sevens are 28. Okay, 4 sevens are 28. 32 no, so 4 you have. 7 sevens are 49. Okay, 49. 7 sevens are 49. Again this goes with 7th table. Okay, again get those with 7th table. 1 sevens are 7. Remaining you have 1, 14, 2 sevens are 14, and this 7 ones are 7, and 121 goes with 11. 11 11s are 121, so you have to use again 11. So square root of 5929 is equal to square root of this numbers you have to write 7 7 11 into 11. So here combine two numbers, each pair you have to take one number, so 11 into 7 you have. Okay, 11 into 7, that is 7 11s are 77. So square root of 5929 is equal to 77. Okay, next we pass on to the next subdivision. What is our next subdivision? Eighth subdivision. Eighth subdivision, we had to find out the square root of 9 to 16. 9 to 16 using prime factorization method. So we use L division. 9 to 16. Use here 6 is there now, so even number. So start with 2. That is the easiest way. 4 2s are 8, remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. Okay, and here 1 is not goes with this 2, so you have to put 0. 1 is not goes with 2, so you have to put 0. Without fail, you have to put 0 here because 1 is not goes with this 2. Okay, and here you have 16 is there now, so 2 in the 8 2s are 16, so 4 0 4 6 0 8. Again this goes with 2 because the even number is there in the last. So here we have 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, and this 0 you have to retain, and 4 2s are 8. Again you have to use 2. 1 2s are 2, and here again 1 2s are 2, and remaining you have 1. 5 2s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Again use because 2 no, so use 2. 5 2s are 10, remaining 1. 7 2s are 14, remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. Again you have to use 2 because 6 is there. 2 2s are 4 and remaining 1. 8 2s are 16, remaining 1. 8 2s are 16. Again use 2 table. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8. Again you have to use 2 table. Okay, again you have to use 2 table. 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Again you have to go for 2. Okay, again you have to go for 2, and 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6, remaining 1. 6 2s are 12. Again you go for 2. Okay, 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16. 1 2s are 2, 8 2s are 16. Okay, and then again you have to go for 2. Okay, again you have to go for 2. 9 2s are 18. Okay, 9 2s are 18, and here we have 3 3s are 9, and 3 1s are 3. Okay, so instead of 36 here 1 2 also, this way also you can do it. Okay, here you can use third table, and 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. Here 36 no. 36 here you can, instead of 2 you can use 3 also. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6, because it goes with 3. 3 is the next least number, no, so you can use it. And here 3 4 3s are 12, and 2 2s are 4. This gives here, and these 2 3s goes up, and these 2 2s comes down. Okay, so this way also you can do it. But whenever you have even numbers, okay, whenever you have even numbers like this, better use 2. Easiest way of doing calculation. So square root of 9 to 16 is equal to square root of how many 2's you have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 into 3 into 3, 2 times. So here 10 2's you have, only 5 2's you have to write it. 5 pairs you have, isn't it? 5 pairs of 2 and 1 pair of 3. So 2 into this pair you have 1 2, this pair you have 1 2, and this pair you have 1 2, and this pair you have 1 2, and this pair you have 1 2, into this pair you have 1 3. So 2 into 2 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16, 16 2's are 32, 32 3's are 96. Okay, 32 3's are 96. That is the way you have to find out the square root. And next subdivision, what about your next subdivision? Ninth subdivision we are doing. Ninth subdivision, sorry. Ninth subdivision we are doing. What is the number? 5 to 9. Okay, 5 to 9. So you have to go for L division. 5 to 9. Okay, 529. Again we check with 3 whether it goes and ended with 3. No, so we check with 3, ended with 3. So 1 3 is a 3, and here you have 2. No, 1 3 is a 3, and remaining you have 2. 7 7 3 is a 21. 1 is there, so it not goes with 7, and 9 is there. No, so 3 9 table we check it. 9 is not a prime number, prime factor, so we can't go do that. But you remember the square root, no? So that is squared. Square you studied 23 23 are 529. You remember that, no? So using that square formula, square chapter, you know that 23 into 23. Either you check with least numbers. 2 is not possible, 3 is not possible, 9 is 3 into 3. You can write 9, you can't use it here. Okay, so we have to check whether 9 is this. After checking this, either you go for that directly it goes with some other squares. Okay, so 23 into 23 you have 529, and then you have 23 one time. So you have a square root of 529 is equal to square root of 23 into 23. So each pair you have to write, this is your 23. 529 you have 23. If you remember the squares of numbers till 25, then you can easily identify this as your 23. It goes with 23. So you have to remember up to 25 squares of numbers 1 to 25. Then you feel easy to do the sums. Next one, 10th subdivision. 10th subdivision is 8100. We use L division. 2 4 2s are 8. For this one you have to put 0, because 2 is not 1 is not goes with 2, and yet combine this one with 0. 5 2s are 10, and this 0 you have to write, and here you have to use 2 again. 2 2s are 4, 0, 2 2s are 4, and 1 is there. 5 2s are 10, and we check with next number 3. Okay, 6 3s are 18, and remaining you have 2. 7 3s are 21, and remaining you have 1. That is 5 3s are 15. 5 3s are 15. Again we start with 5. Okay, so 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6, and here 1 is there. 5 3s are 15, and here find it with 5 now, so we start with 5. Okay, 4 5s are 20, and here you have 2. 5 5s are 29. Okay, sorry, 5 5s are 25, and again you have to go for 5, and here 9 5s are 45, and again 3 3s are 9. Okay, and 3 goes with 1. So you have to write like this. So square root of 8100 is equal to square root of 2 into 2, and how many 3s? 2 3s are there. Okay, and 2 5s are there, and then again 2 3s. Okay, so we have to combine these pairs, and 2 and 3 5 3. Okay, 2 3 5 3. So which is equal to 6. 2 3s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 33s are 90. 33s are 30 into 3 you have 90. Okay, so this is the square root of 8100. Okay, when you look at this number, you seeing that you can write a square root easily. 81 goes with 9 times. Okay, so that 9 9s are 81, and for this 2 zeros you have to write 1 0. So look at the number alone, you can write it, but according to your marks you have to simplify this. Okay, so that's all for this video, and we will do the next problem in the next video. Thank you.